Hey guys, I'm here to show you this awesome indicator called Rocket. So you see on the bottom here, this snake-like indicator, the snake that moves down and then moves up. So this indicator, it provides quick feedback on breakout moves. It can help you determine potential reversals. And when there's no dots, it's pretty much showing that it's compressing. So this is very similar to stochastics or RSI, but definitely a lot cleaner. This functions best on the higher time frame. So on this chart, we have the 5 minute. So if you look here, this. So let's look from here to here. So this is the ES chart. So I like to trade futures. So on the 5 minute, the rocket is really clean on the 5 minute. So after the snake was showing bullish momentum, and when the snake is moving up, it's showing that the bulls are taking control. And then these blue dots show that it's breaking out. You can also see it as like oversold. After it had this nice like bullish move on the upside, you start to see that the snake starts to flip color. It starts to switch to purple and move down. And as you see, the candles here are losing strength, and then color flip, and then bam, massive moves on the downside. So this is ES. So from 606 all the way down to 5 534. So that's about literally a 70-point move on ES, which is massive. And that was from 11:55 to 1:40 on Tuesday, which was like about 2 weeks ago. Really smooth moves. You got your color flip, you got your rocket letting you know that is going to reverse, and then bam, nice juicy move. This is like the perfect V shape. So bullish, bearish, and then bullish again. After it loses 70 points, it also gains those 70 points back. And your rocket would have let you know that, like, all right, it looks like it's approaching another reversal. The snake is aggressively going up. Get your color flip, and bam, another 70 points here. And then it decides to lose strength again. So it's just like reversal, 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 just reversal machine. This indicator will help you get in early, will help you spot these reversals, and will help you catch these breakouts. So this these dots was showing that it was breaking out consistently. And then after it broke out for some time, it was getting oversold and then decided to rip down. Since today is Thursday, let's take a look. So it's currently 3 p.m. right now, Eastern time zone. Let's go to market open. Let's see. Put my session break on. So market open, there was some really good shorts for the first like 15 minutes. So if you do like I know some people like to do like the 5 minute range. So it's like the, the rocket, the snake is showing downside. It broke through the 5 minute range, so you would have gotten like a nice little scalp here. So let's say you entered. Sometimes you can be a little aggressive. You can enter during the break. So like nice like little like 10-point move. But this would have been like a false um opening range downside breakout because it broke out and then it reversed. And you would have caught this reversal around this candle. The rocket was showing aggressive like buying side. So like the snake aggressively reversed and went up. So this was like a crazy reversal. So color flip, and then dots showing that it's breaking out. So this move, let's say you got it on the color flip from 38 to 78, so about like 30-point move on ES. Or if you gotten on the upside breakout of the 5-minute opening range, you would still made around 20 points, around 20 to 30, still really good. And then after this massive breakout, confirmed by the rocket, confirmed by the color flip, you see here, even though there's dots forming, the snake is losing strength. So you're like, all right, I'm gonna anticipate that price wants to reverse or at least pull back. But in this case, it like reversed and continued to go down. So color flip, snake is going down. If you entered here, 68, nice 20-point move. So nice move down here, big move up here. So like currently around 2 p.m. There's nice big jump in bulls, and the rocket was letting you know that the bulls want to gain some momentum basically. And this is a really good thing to backtest, so you can like see like how it looked like previously. But you can see how super accurate this thing is. It's like so clean. Let's look. When it's chopping like this, like not a lot of movement. Like, snakes moving up and down, so you can tell here it's like chopping a bit. Like this whole day was chopped. Sometimes it's better to wait until you see like a really good like move. So like it chopped majority of the day until like 1 p.m. on this day, which was Monday of last week, and then bam, it just skyrocketed up to 51 to 709. So that was like about like 50 to 60 points. If you want to get an indicator like this, definitely subscribe, like, share, and comment. If you can get me to at least 200 subscribers, I'll definitely make a video on how you can get these exact indicators.